Hello students, welcome to the online classes for physical education. Students, as you know, we have completed the lesson 4, which is physical education and sports for CWSN, means children with special needs, or we can say Divyang. Now we are going to discuss about the MCQs of this chapter, and we have included so many important questions in this. I will give you 5 seconds to think about it and to give the right answer. You can check yourself whatever you learn in this lesson, right? So let's start. The first question is, a person is not able to carry out his daily routine. This condition is known as disorder, disability, manual dexterity, coordination. And the right answer is B, disability. Disability is the condition in which the person face problem in their daily routine work. Next question is, what is the full form of ABI? Your options are A, acquired brain injury, acquainted brain injury, available brain injury, acquired brain incident. And the right answer is A, acquired brain injury. The third question is, brain disability is of types A1, B4, C2 and D3. We have to tell about the brain disabilities. How many types are there which includes in brain disability? The right answer is C, option 2, brain disabilities. There are 3 types. First, intellectual, physical and cognitive. In this, cognitive and intellectual disability is called brain disability, right? Next question is, complete disability is the category of dash disability. You have to fill the blank. Your options are A, spinal cord disability, psychological disorder, mobility impairment, hearing disorder. And the right answer is A, spinal cord disability. In this disability, brain cannot supply the messages to the body and cannot receive the messages from the body. The next question is, people with hearing disability suffer from partial deafness, complete deafness, any of the above, none of the above. And your right answer is A and B, both can be there. It means the option C is right, any of the above. The question number 6 is, person with intellectual disorder suffers from A, learning and thinking problems, B, hearing impairments, C, manual dexterity, D, none of the above. And the right answer is A, learning and thinking problem. When person will have intellectual disability, intellectual disorder, that time he will suffer from learning and thinking problems. The next question is, ASD stands for autism spectrum disability, autism spectrum disorder, autism sensory disorder, autism sensory disability. And the right answer is option B, autism spectrum disorder. The next question is, which of the following is not a type of ADHD? Option A, inattentive type, B, compulsive type, C, hyperactive impulsive type, D, combination type. And the right answer is option B, compulsive types. The next question is, people with dash feel trouble in receiving and responding to the information come in through the senses. Your options are A. Autism spectrum disorder, B. Obsessive compulsive disorder, C. Sensory processing disorder, D. Oppositional deficient disorder. And the right answer is option C. Sensory processing disorder. The next question is cognitive behavior therapy is used in ODD, ADS, ASD, OCD. And here is the right answer, option D, OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder. Next question is people with OCD suffers from, OCD full form is OCD is obsessive compulsive disorder. Option A, extreme fear of bacteria or dust, B, hearing problem, C, reading problem, D, walking problem. A, extreme fear of bacteria and dust is the right answer. Thank you. These were the important MCQs from this unit. These can be helpful in your examination. Thank you so much.